On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don present 177.6 billion naira budget proposal for year 2020 give Edo State House of Assembly as e make space for new minimum wage. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don present budget proposal of 177.6 billion naira give Edo State House of Assembly for 2020 for Edo State. And this budget use 3.34% take small past 2019 budget. The budget na 85.539 billion for recurrent expenditure and 92.062 billion for capital expenditure, based on say benchmark for crude oil na $55 per barrel and average production per day na 1.8 million barrels, and this one grow internally generated revenue wey be IGRO onto Obaseki administration reform for revenue collection. Dem call the budget for 2020 Budget of Consolidation, and it throw better body put on top workers' welfare, education, infrastructure, health, sports, industrialization, security, pension, and gratuity. Governor Obaseki keep 34 billion naira for workers' welfare, and this one represents 31% increase for allocation on top personnel costs, as e be say government ready to pay new minimum wage and grow government. Governor Obaseki keep 2 billion naira for security trust fund, 14 billion naira for pension and gratuity, 1 billion for contribution to state health insurance scheme, 1 billion naira for primary health care reform, 8 billion naira for Edo basic education sector transformation wey be Edo Best program, 6 billion for constituency development program, 3 billion for national sports festival, and 3 billion naira for industrial park. Obaseki yarn say 60% increase dey for allocation on top consolidated revenue charges, and this one go help government dey pay pension and gratuity well, and e go cover government payment wey dem dey do monthly dey give pension fund administration wey be PFA, as na im dem dey use dey pay workers wey dey under contributory pension scheme. Una go sabi say Edo State join for the states wey dey quick pay pension dey give their workers well for Nigeria. We can see Governor talk say Edo State go host National Sports Festival for 2020, and na more than 20,000 athletes for the country na im go come Edo State for the festival, as e be say this one na the first time wey Edo State dey host this kind of ogbonge event. Governor still talk say as e dey be so, Edo State sef fit still host Under-20 Women's World Cup next year. On top Edo State Health Insurance Scheme, Governor talk say as dem launch Edo State Health Insurance Scheme, government go put 1 billion as their contribution to the scheme, and dem expect say make workers for all sectors put body for this kind of ogbonge thing, because e go increase how people take dey quick dey do check on top their health. Obaseki talk say 2020 go better well because say the budget go help him administration reform, and e go fit build Edo State make e come be ogbonge state, and e go sit down well on top wetin im dey do for Edo for the past 3 years. We can see Governor talk say him know say plenty people dey wey be enemy of democracy, say but Edo State go continue to dey grow. He thank all Edo people well for their support, and wey be say dem not take one godfatherism again for Edo State. Governor Godwin Obaseki comes to thank Edo State House of Assembly for their ogbonge support so dem dey give executive arm of government, as e be say this one don make ogbonge deve and growth dey gidigba for Edo State. Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don present 177.6 billion naira budget proposal give Edo State House of Assembly, and he call this one Budget of Consolidation. Make una sabi say this ogbonge update wey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. So to get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us for Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.